Assalamu alaikum girls. Previously we have discussed physical features of Pakistan, and from those physical features just we have gone through the mountains, the northern and western mountains of the northern and western mountains of Pakistan. Today we will learn about the second feature, that is plateaus and plains of Pakistan. Let me recapitulate it. It's a physical map of Pakistan. Here we are having Himalayas region, then we are having Karakoram region, and then we are having Hindu Kush region. This area is called Himalayas region, where Great Himalayas there, Lesser Himalayas are there, and Sub Himalayas are there. And then Karakoram is there, and here the Khunjrab Pass, from which pass Pakistan connects. Pakistan is connected with China, or Pakistan has a connection with China from Khunjrab Pass. Then here is the Hindu Kush range, which ends in Afghanistan. Then here are the Safed Ko mountains. Then Salman Keethar mountains are there. Now let us move towards plains of Pakistan and deserts of Pakistan. Mountains, plains, plateaus, and deserts. We have discussed Karakoram regions, Himalaya ranges, Greater Himalayas, Lesser Himalayas, Shivalaks or Sub Himalayas, and then Hindu Kush mountain, then Safed Ko, Waziristan, Salman and Keethar range. We have discussed all these mountain ranges in our previous lesson. Now these are the same things, Himalayas and then Lesser Himalayas and Greater Himalayas, and the height of these mountains. Then Karakoram, and then the main, this is what we call K2, Mount Godwin Austen. Then Hindu Kush mountains, what else? Western Highland Coast, Safed ranges, then Waziristan hills. We have all discussed in detail. Then Salman and Keethar ranges, and then Indus Plain. Let us discuss our new topic, that is Indus Plain. Can you see the map here? It's the major river that originates from Kashmir, and it flows through the mountains, and it is the 7th largest river of the world, and it lastly falls into Arabian Sea. Can you see the Indus River here? The bluish line, can you see it? I'm again marking it. It's the blue line. It's the Indus River, which is flowing from mountains, and after passing through the whole Pakistan, it falls into Arabian Sea. Here the Arabian Sea is there. Now why do we talk about Indus Plains, and what is Indus Plain? The area along Indus is called Indus Plain, the plain area. What is plain? Plain means the plain areas. The level grounds are called plains. Plain areas along with Indus River is called Indus Plain. There are two parts of Indus Plain. The area above Sindh, and the area which is found in Punjab is called Upper Indus Plain, and the area which is found in Sindh is called Lower Indus Plain. Have you got my point? The area we can identify like this. The area above Sindh is called Upper Indus Plain, and the area along with Indus River which is found in Sindh is called Lower Indus Plain. Now we can divide these parts into three major parts. In this chapter we will learn about two things, about Upper Indus Plain, the Lower Indus Plains, and then the third one is Deltic Indus Plain. It is very very important. You are having the in the Deltic Indus Plain also in your book, but there is no proper heading of Deltic Plain in your book. But these are three main plains. Two main plains are there, and Deltic Plain is the part of Lower Indus Plain. I will describe, I will explain what is Deltic Plain too. Then the Upper Indus Plain extends from Attock to Mithankot. Mithankot is the point where 5 rivers of Pakistan join together. Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi and Sutlej are the eastern tributaries of river Indus. I am showing you the map again. See the map, I am describing it here. Here from the area from Attock to Mithankot. Mithankot is the point where 5 rivers of Pakistan join together. Here the Indus, then the Jhelum, Chenab, then Ravi and then Sutlej. 5 rivers of Pakistan join together as Mithankot. It is also called Panjnad, the rivers of 5 rivers, the land of, sorry, not the rivers of 5 rivers, land of 5 rivers. Have you got my point? I am going to zoom it out. Let us see again. Upper Indus Plain is started from Attock to Mithencourt. Mithencourt is the point where 5 rivers join together, and the area below Mithencourt is called Lower Indus Plain. Upper Indus Plain, Attock from Mithencourt, and the Lower Indus Plain, Mithencourt to Arabian Sea, or Mithencourt to Lower Sindh, or the lower parts of the Sindh, is called Lower Indus Plain. Now, then the area between the two tributaries is called Doab. In Urdu, it is called Doaba or Doab. Doabs mean two, the area in between two rivers. The area in between two rivers. Let me show you the Doab here. It is Indus Plain. It is Jhelum Plain. And can you see the yellowish part? In between areas of two rivers is called Doab. What is Doab? Two area, or the area in between two rivers is called Doabs, and the Doabs of Pakistan are very, very rich, and they are very fertile. Rich in not in the manner of economically, rich in soil, rich in fertility. All the tributaries meet at the point called Panjnat. It is also called Panjnat, and the area name is Mithencourt. Panjnat, I have described it earlier also, that what is Panjnat? The land of 5 rivers. The land of 5 rivers. Then Panj mean, Urdu में पंज किसे कहते हैं? 5 को. Name of Doabs in Pakistan we are having 4 Doabs: Bari Doab, Rachna Doab, Chach Doab, and Sindh Sagar Doab. Bari Doab, river Beas, and river in between river Beas and river Ravi. Then Rachna Doab, in between river Ravi and river Chenab. I am showing you it on the map too. It is Sindh Sagar Doab. Where is Sindh Sagar Doab? In between Indus and Jhelum. Where is Sindh Sagar Doab? The yellowish part is called Sindh Sagar Doab. Then in between Jhelum and Chenab, Chach Doab is there. What is it? It's Chach Doab. What is it? It's Chach Doab. Spell it correctly. It's C-H-A-G. Chach Doab. In between Jhelum and Chenab. First in between Indus and Jhelum, Sindh Sagar Doab is there. Then in between Jhelum and Chenab, can you see the names of rivers here? Let me zoom it out. Jhelum River and Chenab River, Chach Doab is there. Then in between Chenab and Ravi, which Rachna Doab is there. And in between Ravi and Beas, Bari Doab is there. Beas doesn't flow in Pakistan. It comes from, or it flows in India, but the last peak of Beas reaches in Pakistan, and it enters Pakistan too. Now हमने जैसे याद किए थे, मैं आपको इसकी टिप बताऊंगी. How do we remember, or how did I recall, or how did I memorize these 4 Doab? Sindh Sagar Doab, आप देखें फर्स्ट का नाम दिया हुआ है. इंडस का नाम क्या है वैसे उर्दू में से, क्या कहते हैं? सिंध. और सागर डोब झेलम के, उसके बाद चच डोब, CH फॉर चनाब, एंड जा फॉर झेलम. देन उसके बाद आपके पास नेक्स्ट है रचना डोब. हेयर R फॉर रॉवी एंड CHNA फॉर चनाब. एंड देन बारी डोब, B फॉर ब्यास एंड RE फॉर रिवर रावी. Have you got my point? We memorized these Doabs like this. Then the Lower Indus Plain, it extends from Mithencourt to Thatta, and Mithencourt to Thatta, I have shown you it on the map too. It's Mithencourt, and from Mithencourt to Thatta, the least part is called Lower Indus Plain. Then the Deltic Plain, total length is 1000 km, while 700 km lies in Balochistan above, and about 300 km lies in Sindh. Thatta and Badin district in Sindh. Mangrove forests are the significant feature of Sindh Deltic Plain. The coastal area lies in Balochistan is called Makran Coastal Plain. The few area is there in Sindh, and rest of the other area is there in Balochistan. And what is Deltic Plain? Now let me explain you what is Deltic Plain. It's a low elevation flood plain formed at the mouth of a river. River के mouth पे ये form होता है, and the characteristic of Deltic Plain is it's the type of low lying coastal plain. Means ये is, and the one more thing, it is formed where a river empties into the sea. जहाँ पे रिवर आके सी में गिरता है ना, वहाँ पे जो एरिया बनता है रिवर इन बिटवीन एरियाज ऑफ रिवर एंड सी, बिल्कुल जहाँ पे आपका रिवर एंड होता है, जिसका माउथ आके सी में गिरता है, दैट एरिया इज कॉल्ड डेल्टिक प्लेन. हैव यू गॉट माई पॉइंट? उसको डेल्टा बोलते हैं, लेकिन डेल्टिक प्लेन कौन सा होता है? द एरियाज और द प्लेन एरियाज विच आर फॉर्म्ड बिकॉज ऑफ फ्लड्स और विच आर फॉर्म्ड बिकॉज ऑफ डेल्टा इज कॉल्ड डेल्टिक प्लेन। डेल्टा समझ आ गया किसे कहते हैं? कि डेल्टा किसे किसे बोलेंगे? कि जब हमारे पास जब रिवर एंड हो रहा है, फॉर एग्जांपल लेट मी शो यू द मैप अगेन। Here Indus River is entering into Arabian Sea. This area, can you see the dotted area here, greenish area? This area is called deltic plain. डेल्टा कौन सा होता है? जब रिवर अपने माउथ से एंटर हो रहा होता है, ख़त्म हो रहा होता है, सी में जाके गिरता है, उस एरिया को डेल्टा कहते हैं। एंड द एरिया, उसी एरिया के साथ जो वहाँ पे प्लेन बन जाते हैं, प्लेन्स क्या होते हैं? लेवल ग्राउंड, जो द लेवल ग्राउंड विच आर फॉर्म बिकॉज ऑफ दैट डेल्टा इज कॉल्ड डेल्टिक प्लेन। आपको क्लियर हुआ बेटे? अगर नहीं क्लियर हुआ यू कैन आस्क मी अगेन। We have finished our planes here. Let us move to the next slide and let us move to the next part of physical feature. I will send you in the next video.